Hey everyone, Darren Eastman here, Product Manager for GitLab Runner Core and for Fleet Visibility. Welcome to the GitLab Runner 16.10 kickoff video. I'm going to just kind of quickly go over what we have on deck for both the Runner Core and Runner Fleet Visibility or Fleet Visibility categories in 16.10. So I'm sharing on my screen right now is the GitLab Runner Group 16.10 iteration plan. And here you will find a list of all of the issues that we have forecasted on deck for 16.10. So first, in terms of new features that are we're looking at and running core for 16.10, as always, the first sort of like section in terms of our capacity plan is focused on reducing the backlog of bugs that we have in the runner core code base. So that's what you'll typically see here when you go into the iteration plan. In terms of sort of new capabilities, that's interesting to call out. In 16.10, if you kind of scroll down here, you'll see we have an R&D section. And in here, we're working on, and we hope to pick this work up in 16.10, an architectural blueprint for the new CI cache service. So this is a new GitLab CI cache service mechanism that we hope to roll out to address issues related to reliably and uploading large artifacts that are outputted from your GitLab CI jobs to public cloud services like AWS 3. And we've had a number of customers ask us for support for example, the AWS S3 multi-part upload feature. And the idea after doing a lot of investigation on this is that creating a new cache service is the right mechanism for us to be able to create an extensible and scalable solution for that particular problem. So in 16.10, we're looking to start working on architectural blueprint. And once that gets done, you will see more information on that in the future as we move forward. In terms of fleet visibility, there aren't any major new features that are planned to ship in 16.10. You can see here we have a list of some minor enhancements that we are planning in various sections of the fleet of the UI. The one area that I want to call your attention to is under the section heading called Fleet Dashboard for Groups. And what that means is, as you may, if you've been kind of following along, a few milestones ago, a few iterations ago, we released the fleet dashboard for at the instance level. And so that's been available on GitLab.com, for example, to the GitLab.com administrators for a few iterations now. And for self-managed customers that are willing to participate in an early adopters program, they can also take advantage of the fleet dashboard at the instance level. And so this next iteration of this fleet dashboard feature is taking that same capability and moving it down to the group level. So the goal is that if you're an ultimate customer on GitLab.com, you will have the same fleet dashboard capabilities that you see currently in our release notes related to the instance level. You'll be able to see that, have that visibility at the group level. And so what we're doing in 16.10 is starting some of that preliminary work to get going on actually releasing that feature. And so it'll be 1 or 2 milestones thereafter. You'll see the release of the fleet dashboard for groups available on GitLab.com. And again, self-managed customers that upgrade to the latest version of GitLab, of course, on the ultimate plan, you'll see the fleet dashboards for groups available there as well. So that's kind of what's happening at a high level in terms of sort of new work for the Runner Core group and the Fleet Visibility group in 16.10. And as well as I just want to call your attention to, if you're interested in taking that 20,000-foot view of what we are working on it's from a sort of a strategic perspective for the year, our category direction pages for Runner Core is here. And so if you land here, we update these pages monthly. It gives you a high-level overview of kind of what our one-year plan is, what's coming in the near term, and so forth. So this is the direction page for Runner Core and the subsequent direction page for Fleet Visibility. Just to wrap up, in Runner Core for 16.10, as usual, we're investing a lot of time in reducing the backlog of bugs that we have in the core code base. And then in terms of sort of new features and capabilities, we'll be looking to spend some time on working on the architectural blueprint for the CI cache service. So that's it for Runner Fleet and for Runner Core's 16.10 kickoff video. See you next time. Bye-bye.